Welcome to our video comparing two of Amazon's eero mesh Wi-Fi systems. If you want to ensure fast, reliable Wi-Fi throughout your home, make sure to watch until the end. And don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel. If you have a large home, both eero systems offer excellent coverage. The eero mesh Wi-Fi system provides up to 4,500 square feet of coverage, while the eero Pro 6e offers coverage up to 6,000 square feet. Both systems use the patented TrueMesh technology to reduce drop-offs and dead spots. However, if you have a particularly large home, the eero Pro 6e may be the best choice. The eero Pro 6e is more advanced than the eero mesh Wi-Fi system, providing faster speeds of up to 2.3 Gbps, including wired speeds of up to 1 gigabit and wireless speeds of up to 1.6 Gbps. While the eero mesh Wi-Fi system provides ample speeds for average households, the eero Pro 6e is ideal for users with higher speed internet plans and multiple high-bandwidth devices. Both eero systems are designed to work with Alexa for easy management of Wi-Fi access. Additionally, both systems are compatible with most major internet service providers and can replace your existing router. However, the eero Pro 6e is the first to support Wi-Fi 6E devices and offers backward compatibility with previous generation eero devices. Amazon offers great customer support for their eero systems. However, the eero Pro 6e comes with the added benefit of world-class support, with expert Wi-Fi troubleshooters available by phone or email. If you experience any issues with your eero Pro 6e, you can rest assured that help is just a phone call or email away. The eero mesh Wi-Fi system is priced at $169, while the eero Pro 6e is priced at $549. While the eero Pro 6e is a more advanced system with faster speeds and more coverage, the price difference may not be worth it for users with smaller homes or lower bandwidth needs. Ultimately, the choice between the two systems will depend on your individual needs and budget. That's it for our comparison of Amazon's eero mesh Wi-Fi system and eero Pro 6e. Both systems offer great coverage and compatibility with Alexa and most internet service providers. However, the eero Pro 6e provides faster speeds and more advanced features at a higher price point. Make sure to let us know in the comments which system you prefer, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.